back to my channel. Today I have a fabulous haul for you. I have an incredible selection of goodies. I have glasses, earrings, fragrance, a little bit of everything today for boys and girls. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for being here. I hope you love it enough to subscribe. And for my returning subs, I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Let's go ahead and get started, okay? So my first item on my haul today is actually a pair of sunglasses from Prada. I actually teamed up with GlassesUSA.com, and when they contacted me for a collaboration, I was so happy because what fashionista doesn't love sunglasses, right? So these sunglasses popped up all over my newsfeed on my Instagram, guys, and as a matter of fact, Camila Coelho, one of the biggest bloggers in the world, was wearing this for Coachella. So I had been eyeing these sunglasses for a long time and I had to pick them up. So this is what they look like. Oh my gosh. So if you don't know, cat eye glasses, these super modern looking glasses, are the thing right now for fashion bloggers, right? And in my opinion, they really elevate any look, guys. They make everything look more high fashion, edgier. You will absolutely see me rocking this on my Instagram, okay? Because I've been wanting this baby for months. So GlassesUSA.com has a fabulous selection of sunglasses, all the luxury brands we know and love, Prada, Gucci. I went crazy surfing their website. Now, one little bit of a twist here is that, you know, instead of picking all sunglasses for my collaboration with GlassesUSA.com, I decided to pick some eyeglasses as well. So here's the deal. You guys know I am beyond my 40s at this point, and reading has become a challenge. I absolutely cannot see anything without reading glasses anymore. And my reading glasses are quite pathetic right now, and I decided to take this opportunity to actually amp up my style with my reading glasses. If you have the same challenge as me, or if you just wear eyeglasses because you need prescription your whole life, I think that has to be a consideration in your overall look. So I picked 4 pairs of prescription eyeglasses that I want to show you guys, so you know that you have to make your reading glasses or your eyeglasses part of your style, you know, and really use them strategically to elevate your look, and not those old boring eyeglasses that you see everybody wearing that kind of do nothing in terms of flattering your face, right? You cannot go to a restaurant looking all nice, you know, Balmain, Chanel bag, you know, all classy, and then you go read the menu and you pull out your reading, oops, something fell. You pull out your reading glasses. This is embarrassing. So let me show you what I picked so you see how you can use your prescription glasses to look amazing. So number 1, there you go. This is my first option, which I think is a major power play. Imagine you with a suit in the office, you pull these glasses. I think black frames are like so powerful, you know, they're like a look, right? So I figure when I go for my corporate offices, you know, and I have my work meetings, I can like dress super nice, you know, and formal, and then I can walk around all day in these glasses without feeling bad. I actually order progressive lenses, so the top is normal and then the bottom is the reading part where you have your prescription. And I will put the link to all of these specific models that I chose in the description below, as well as a link to GlassesUSA.com, so you guys know exactly what I chose. These are not expensive at all. They have luxury brands for both sunglasses and prescription glasses, but they also have in-house brands that are way less expensive and look just as fashionable. You get these fabulous deals with GlassesUSA.com because they cut the middleman, so you get up to 70% off of retail prices. I just feel so powerful with this look, you know, even if you don't need them, I feel like they make you look so good and so smart, right? So next one, this is called the Amelia Francisca, and I got this one right here because I wanted something that would look good with my super cute feminine dresses, like my Zimmermann dresses. It matches any color. This right here has like tones of blue, so they have several different colors that you can pick from. So I chose this with these tones of blue that I think are really flattering either for dark skin or light skin. I was really concerned ordering these online, you know, because I thought I had to try glasses on, and it wasn't the case at all. I got my 4 pairs and I loved all of them, and that's because they have a mirror app where you can upload your photo and you can actually see how the glasses look on your face. So I feel like all of my picks were awesome for my face. The next pair I picked was on purpose for super casual looks. So I was thinking jeans with a cute t-shirt. You know, I picked these right here with a tortoise type of a finish. So brown is super neutral, right? And I think this really matches everything and it's a nice casual look. And then the last one that I want to show you guys is the one that I think is the most high fashion of them all, which is called Amelia Viva, and they are a transparent frame, and I thought these are so high fashion, guys. I feel like the transparent clear look is so in right now. So if I want to look a little more like oomph, right, with some killer outfits, a bit edgier, and I want to have reading glasses with me, I feel like these are so stylish. Totally recommend you check glassesusa.com. Thank you so much for my glasses. I am so excited that I have all of this variety now to look good. Next, let's talk about Dior. I cannot stay away from Dior for too long, my peeps. You guys know that Dior Miami is, I love them so much. I love everybody there. I wish I could go to that store all the time. So this is the bag, and let's do an unboxing together. I'm so excited about these. So this is how all of the Dior earrings come packaged. So there you go. These are the earrings that I picked from Dior. How cute. It says CD right here. And they are a waterfall type of an earring. And you know, I was looking for some classic looking earrings that are not too trendy, that are gonna last forever, and that I can wear during the day with a casual look or at night for a party look. And guys, this was absolutely the perfect choice. I mean, check that out. This is a classic pair of earrings that is never gonna go out of style. The price of these earrings was actually $4.90. I had my SA from Dior in Miami ship them to me. So if you guys are interested, send me a DM on Instagram and I'll give you her information. She's fabulous. How gorgeous are these? Oh my gosh, talk about a sophisticated look for like partying, fabulous dress at night, or during the day if you want it more casual with jeans. So here's the thing, guys, what I love about these earrings is that the little letters, the CD, are in the front of your earlobe, but the waterfall of gold comes from behind your earlobe. So check that out. Such a different look. Look at that. Totally recommend. If you want an investment that is a forever investment, this is it. Next, let's do a Prada unboxing. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I had been lusting over this for a while. This is so hard to get at the moment. Again, every single person is rocking this as of late. How cute. It comes in this cute little pouch. And this is a Prada headband. This headband is almost impossible to find right now, okay? I went through so much pain to be able to get this one, and actually there was a snafu. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what's going on, babe. So if you're not following me, you better. But there was a snafu with Prada on the ordering of these headbands, and I posted about it on my Instagram, and Prada service was so amazing that they called me and they got me the headband for free. And this was the last one in the country, okay? But this, guys, is a Renaissance look that is super in right now. I feel like you look like you're straight out of a painting, like a Renaissance painting. And I feel like you, look at that, it gives you like such a beautiful finish. I feel like I'm in a painting, like back in the day, centuries ago, with one of those formal dresses, right? But I just think this is so gorgeous. They have this in black, in pink, in green. I showed it to my daughter, she went insane. And I said, well, I'll buy it for you as long as you let me borrow it every now and then. So of course she said yes. This I think is $245 if I'm not mistaken. And then because there was a snafu with my order of my headband, Prada also sent me this as a gift. I was blown away with the service. Check this out. Look how beautiful the packaging. Prada's packaging just blew me away. Totally insanely gorgeous. And when I looked at this scarf, The print on this is the most beautiful thing. Look at this, it says Prada right here. Check out this print. How gorgeous and feminine. I just couldn't even believe, you know, so the district manager actually contacted me and told me they would be sending it to me, you know, as a gift, and I am just so grateful. I thought their service, like, they earned a customer forever now, because I was treated so well. They really took care of the issue and went above and beyond. Thank you, Prada. Next, let's do some Hermes, shall we? So let's order this. Guys, this is a real inexpensive Hermes item that I am totally obsessed with. So if you are dying to get a little orange in your life, but you are now ready to invest a fortune on a Birkin or a Kelly, this is for you. Ta-da! Look at this Hermes pouch. Absolutely in love with this pouch. I actually got this as a gift for my husband so he can wear for travel, because red is his favorite color. Guys, this was $285. What a fabulous gift. What a fabulous first luxury item. You can use this as a clutch. You can use this to put your toiletries when you travel. And then what I love about it is that this is like neoprene, you know, so super resilient, easy to clean. Look at the inside, and it has like a little bit of like a print at the bottom. It's so cute. And I love that that is black because it doesn't show dirt very much at all. And they actually have a smaller size that goes with this as a set. I am so in love with this that I want one for myself as well. Next, let's do a little Louis Vuitton. So I've been lusting over this item for a while now, and I finally pulled the trigger on it. Ta-da! Yes, I finally pulled the trigger and got myself Louis Vuitton fragrance. And I chose the one that is called Matière Noir. It was really funny because the essay was showing me the different ones, and I went directly for this one. I said, I know which one I want. I want the Matière Noir. And he's like, oh wow, you are really exotic. So I was feeling myself. He probably says that to everybody. But I thought I was cool when he said that. But look at how the fragrance comes packaged. Check that out. And then you pull it like so, and here is your fragrance. The Matière Noir to me is a very rich, sexy. Everywhere I go wearing this, guys, I got compliments every time. Now, one time that I went out that somebody didn't say something. So I was like, okay, this is gonna be my jam right here, right? I know that at first, this is quite expensive. I think it's $260 for the fragrance, but I don't know if you realize that once you buy it the first time, you can refill it for, I think it's $180 or $160. So you can refill the same package for way cheaper than your first purchase. So you don't have to commit to this high amount every time, right? So you pull the cover like so, and this is how you spray the fragrance. If you are considering a Louis Vuitton fragrance, I say go for it. Next one is also from Hermes, and this is something I also purchased for my husband, and this can be for boys or girls, and it's technically, you will find it in the boys department, but obviously you can wear this as a lady as well. My husband was on the lookout for a bracelet, and those of you who are my subscribers know that my husband loves Hermes, and we wanted something that was masculine. I don't like when men overdo on the accessories, but when I saw this, this was absolutely the perfect pick. Look at this. So it says Hermes on the hardware, right? And they have this leather strap in different colors as well, but look how it opens. Check that out. Look at that. It's like a magnetic jam going on right there. So pull it. So beautiful. They have different sizes to make sure it fits your wrist. Obviously, this one is going to be big on me. How beautiful to stack this with all your other Hermes bracelets, with your watch. Like, I love arm candy. I think that this is such a sexy, understated way to wear a bracelet, right? Look at that. I also got some fragrance from Hermes as well. Look at this. They put a bow even on the fragrances. Isn't that crazy? And it is called Eau de Citron Noir. And I smelled this at the opening of the Hermes boutique in Orlando. And when I smelled this, I went bananas. So I got this for my husband. Again, this is another unisex fragrance that can be for guys or girls. This is what it looks like. This is the blue bottle. I wish one day I could buy all of the Hermes fragrances and have like that rainbow on my counter like you see at the store. It's so beautiful, right? And then I got the shower gel as well, which you can also wear as a shampoo. I love when Scott washes his hair with something really nice and then I smell his hair and it smells so good, you know? So that's why I got this for him. So this is the set right here. Look how gorgeous to put on your vanity. Oh my gosh, you just smell clean and like $1,000,000. I cannot even explain how delicious this is. The day that I posted this on my Instagram, Monsieur Ashley actually sent me a message that he had just bought this exact same fragrance as well. So you guys know that this has got to be hot because great minds think alike. All right, last item and piece de resistance of my haul is this Dior box that I've been dying to show you. Ay, ay, ay. I think this is the most beautiful pair of shoes that I have seen in a long time, okay? So when I first saw this, I said this has to be mine. It comes on obviously the Dior little dust bag for the shoes, which in my opinion is a must-have. I am so excited about these, you just don't even understand. If you have seen Dior's latest collection, which has ballet vibes, you absolutely have seen the shoe, which they have in beige or black. As soon as it arrived at the boutique, I just had to make it mine. But check this out. So you truly look like a ballerina because you tie this around your ankle. Look at the back. It says Dior on the back. It has like a little detail. And look at this heel. This looks incredible in person. So let me show you. See that there are stars inside this heel, this plastic heel. You see that touch? And to me, these are forever shoes. This is a classic pump, pointy toe. I mean, there's nothing here that's gonna go out of style. I mean, check that out. Check the detail on the back. And this right here, guys, it's the mid-heel version. They have a higher heel version as well. I decided to go with the mid-heel because I wanted to be able to wear this at night or during the day and walk a little bit more. And they are so comfortable. I wish I could get the pair of black ones as well. I wish I could have both. The price of this was $11.90. Worth every single penny. It looks like you're floating on air. It just, and the beige one makes your legs look longer and make you look taller. Now here's the thing, this comes off, so if you want to make it just a pump without the lace around your ankles, you can do that. But the lace, I have to have the lace because I think it's such a touch. But oh my gosh, you guys, absolutely in love. So that's it, guys. This was it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed all of my cute looks and my new prescription glasses. You know, I'm gonna look so stylish, and I hope you got some good ideas of some fabulous things to buy. If you are interested in some great sunglasses and eyeglasses as well, make sure you check out glassesusa.com. I have their link right here. You will see that you're gonna score some major deals and look really stylish without breaking the bank. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.